I don't know why you always have to be judging me. Because I only believe in science.
Welcome to your life. There's no turning back. Even while we sleep, we will find you acting on your best behavior. Turn your back on Mother Nature. Everybody wants to rule the world.
It's about 4:15 in the afternoon. Paddling a couple hours already. Heading right over there, which is Hornby Island. Yeah. And Denman Island there. And right now I'm in the Strait of Georgia. Pretty cool, huh? Made it to Hornby Island. Give you a quick panorama of where I'm at. It's gorgeous here. There's my kayak. And that's where I'm setting up my tent, right over there. It's been a hard day. Tried to carry the kayak, empty of course, over some rocks, but oh man. That didn't go so well. Made it like 30 feet and my right foot slipped. Oh, I kind of felt some tendon kind of pulling my right, below my right knee on that right side. Oh man, stupid. What am I thinking? Feels okay right now, but not great. Man, I'm not trying that again. Here's something real trippy I didn't expect. There's like cows up in this field up here. So hearing cows, that's just nuts, dude. That's nuts. Didn't expect that. Man, it's always something unexpected on this trip. I love it. Another quick look at where I'm at. Oh, I love BC and its arbutus trees. So awesome. I was walking down a dirt road from Little Tribune Beach to head to the co-op. Wouldn't mind buying some hummus and pita. Not where I'm staying. I prefer to camp on the beach. It's about 10:20 right now in the morning, and I have to create this shade because it is so bloody hot out here. Yeah, I can't be in the tent, no way. I have to be. Oh no, the sun's hitting me again. Let's look at the temperature. It's like 30 degrees, 35 actually. I can even show you later, but I want to get out there in the kayak and circle Hornby Island. But look at how far the tide is. I'll see if I can show you. How do I get the kayak all the way down there without bloody injuring myself again? Or burning up from heat stroke, I don't know. I'm gonna try and catch a fish for dinner tonight. Let's see. If not, it's more rice. Some curry dish. Which is tasty. Well, I did some fishing today since not a sun tanning day. I'll show you if you can see it, the size of my net. Anyway, check out the size of the fish. Holy crap, it's huge. Well, time to kill this poor sucker, get him out of his misery. He didn't like being on land. Oh, Time to fillet this bad boy. Mother, huge! Alright, next step. Got my Primus stove, oil in the pan, and battering up that fish. Look at that fillet. Huge! Look at that sucker. Alright. Make sure that oil is hot enough. Oh, wouldn't you say that's cooking up nicely? I would. Check out the lock for this dude's house on Hornby Island. This guy's a hippie who says that if you stare at the sun, it'll stimulate your pineal gland and enhance awareness. Okay, buddy. Yeah. I'll show you what really enhances his awareness. Ready? Follow me. Oh, what's that? What is this, folks? What is this? Oh my goodness, what do we have here? Oh, some stinky, stinky plants. Two stinky, stinky herbal plants. Oh my goodness. Those are ripening up nicely. Oh wow, if you guys can smell it. Actually, there's 3 of them. Another one back there. Oh, wow, and a tomato plant. Yeah, thrown in for good measure. I love it. Anyway, there's this place right there. Pretty wild, hey? He's not home right now. Tribune Bay, Hornby Island. This place is awesome. As you can see, I'm really roughing it today. Got myself a delicious chicken burger. Haven't had any greens for a while. And a nice little treat for myself. A delicious strongbow. Filled up my water bottle. Yeah, life's pretty good out here, man.
Oh, yes. 2 points.
Check out these boulders. Huge. Yeah. My campsite is way down there in the beach. So isolated. Only seen like 2 people walk by. Not like Tribune Bay campsite, which is just freaky busy. Oh, it's a beautiful day today. Raining last night and windy, but look what I woke up to. Yeah, but not all as amazing as it should be. I'll show you what else I woke up to. I felt something when I was pulling the kayak through the sand last night. I felt something give, and a part of my rudder popped off. I don't know if you can see it. Yeah, you can. See that hole? Can imagine my heart just sank when I saw that. Just a couple hours ago I discovered that. So went to the co-op on Hornby. Thank goodness they're stocked with pretty much everything you need. And here it is. Fiberglass repair kit. Even got some 80 grit sandpaper. So, yeah, I'm gonna go to work right now. Alright, tell you how this turns out. Alright, so I did my repairs with a fiberglass repair kit. And let's take a look. Oh, yeah, do you see that in there? Patched it up nicely. Just walking down what's called Central Avenue. It's about an hour's walk, but what else do I fucking gotta do, you know what I'm saying? I just walked to Fisherman's Cove. This place is awesome. Give you a quick panorama. There's people swimming, but a little too chilly for my liking. Time for some of my favorite food. Oh yeah, I haven't had pizza for 2 weeks, man. I got 3 different pieces. Hi, Mr. Cow. God damn it. Didn't expect to smash a hole into the side of my kayak. Oh, I'm fucked. Wait a minute. That's that's not my kayak. Well, that one sure is lodged on the rocks, hey? No, there's my gear. Taking a break. Yeah, been on Hornby Island for about a week now. I love this place. Man, I got myself a little bit of a buzz on. Delicious. Sitting here naked. Not going to show you that though. There's some really good tribal drumming in the background. Man, the sun is setting. It's still warm out though. Oh, it's just beautiful. Man, I love it here. I'm going to stay maybe another day. Alright, heading to False Bay, which is on Lusquita Island. And I'm leaving Hornby Island at about 5:30 right now. It's pretty far away. I'll turn the camera around and show you. But I think it'll take me about 4 hours or so. No big deal. As long as I get there by dark, which I hope I do. If not, wing it. It's worked for me so far. It's the end of Hornby Island right there, and I believe I'm heading right over to there. Pretty beautiful that way, isn't it? Hornby Island's fantastic. If you ever get a chance to go there, go there. Kind of a hippie, kind of commune feel to it, which, hey, laid back island feel. I have no problem with that. And Tribune Bay is pretty damn cool. A good co-op with groceries, supplies upstairs like that. Fresh fruit, you know. Some good canned goods and such. Downstairs, hardware. And good selection of beer. I got myself some wine tonight, white wine. And it's just a nice evening to paddle. Time to leave Hornby though. I was there for about a week. I haven't laid on the beach forever, so that was really nice. Now I got, as you can tell, my iPhone tucked in here with some good tunes. Susie and the Banshees. It's just on shuffle. It's all new wave 80s and goth 80s. I can't help it. It's music my brother and I love. Hey bro, should be out here, punk. Next time, man. It's gonna be a long paddle though tonight. I probably have another 2.5 hours. I wouldn't be surprised. I'm just gonna keep the beats rolling, keep the paddling steady, and enjoy myself. Winds are picking up out here. I'm gonna try and land. Look at this freaking cool island with the lighthouse. Holy shit. Doesn't look like anybody lives here. I just hope I can find a place to land on it. Man, I gotta put my iPhone away. It's tippy in this kayak, man. "8:30 at night. Just starting to unload my gear. Tied off the kayak, as you can see. Just found a landing spot, barely, and on the quieter side, that other side was getting wavy. Oh shit, whoops. And look at this place. Look at the busted out windows. Oh man, I can't wait to explore it. I'll show you more in a bit. Let's go unload my kayak now before it gets too dark. Made it just in time. It is getting dark. There's no way I would have made it over. See if I can even show you that island over there. Fuck's that sound? Hopefully it's just a seal sending a spot to my brother. Let him know I'm okay. Fuck, this is creepy. Whew. Remember, I'm by myself. Man, you see open windows like that? Holy shit. I'll give you a better tour tomorrow. Did you guys hear that? Wow. I climbed up the lighthouse. I'm at the top. Show you a view of this tomorrow. But, wow, it's amazing. Just amazing. Yep, real windy all night long. But you might be able to see that the sun is coming up. Good thing too, I can't stand this creepy island any longer. These abandoned buildings, man, I tell you. I had weird dreams last night. Hey, when I said I'm reading horror novels out here, I'm not kidding. Bentley Little. And also, I'll show you a couple other books that I have. The Spear by James Herbert. I'm gonna start that one in a few days. And oh, one of the freakiest writers out there. Just freaky. Richard Lehman. No Sanctuary. Let's check the time. Ooh, 5:44. Okay. Gotta get off this freaky island. Freaky dreams all night about this place. Oh man. Oh man. Why do I do this to myself? Nice. Sun is rising. I'll show you where my tent is. See it blowing in the wind down there? Yeah, you might be able to tell where I'm standing. Top of the lighthouse. Just give you a little bit. Oh man, I get a little bit of vertigo up here. Heights has never been my thing. Holy shit. Check it out. Just climbed in through that window and into the darkness. Yeah, I'm partly crazy. I'm gonna go check out this place and I'll let you know how it turns out. Man, reminds me of Chernobyl Diaries. Some timetables from 1996. Wow. Love this shit. Oh, that's an interesting view. See that? Oh, I see my tent down there too. It's turning into a nice day out there. Well, it really sucks though. So I went down to my kayak to get my burner, my Primus stove, and my kayak was just flooded. It was, oh, you know how windy it was last night. Just flooded. And the rudder broke right off my motherfucking kayak. It sucks. Radio station license. 1994. Oh wow. And rudder broke off. Fucking sucks. At least it's laying on the rocks. I don't know. It makes paddling twice as hard for me though. Unless I can fix it, jimmy it somehow. Alright, so when I'm kayaking, I like to carry at least 6 liters of water. As you can see, I don't have a whole lot left in this one. And I have another 2-liter bottle, sure. But I've got my pan, and stinks in here, man. And this is in here. Which which has its cap. And that's a shitload of water still left in there. But would you guys drink that water? No, not unless you sterilize it first, right? Well, hey, I got a plan for that. Alright, so I just poured. It's probably a liter's worth. Actually, probably a little bit more into this pot. And I have a SteriPen. See what it says there? Safe drinking water anywhere. Just uses UV light to purify the water. So I'm gonna make this work for you guys. It says push once for 1 liter. You have to submerge it all the way in there until the sensors read it, and the light will go green right there when it's purified. Pretty cool, huh? Excellent. So it's blinking green, means the water's purified. Cool, huh? That took about 45 seconds. Nice. So I'm going to go a couple rounds of that, try and fill that sucker up. I use my solar charger to recharge my iPhone. Man, I needed some music last night because holy shit, I was getting a little nervous out here. It's just so damn creepy, man. And you can't tell me otherwise. If you're out here by yourself, you'd be thinking the same thing. It's just freaky, dude. It's freaky. Alright, if you guys are curious on how I navigate around these waters through the Strait of Georgia, on my life jacket is just a tiny compass, which also has a temperature. Let's see what it's sitting at right now. About 26 degrees Celsius, about 80 Fahrenheit. I also have a better compass. This is the Trekker model by Silva. Pretty damn good. With a mirror, it's kind of nice to check out how ugly I really am with my nasty 3-4 day growth of beard here. And, which I use in the water quite a bit, is my Explorist 110 by Magellan. And of course some basic maps as well.
You can help me out a little bit if you want.
Finally got off that lighthouse island, and there it is over there. Wild looking, hey man? So cool. No rudder, although it didn't blow any other holes into my kayak. That's a good thing. I'm just getting pushed in the opposite direction of where I want to go, because I plan on going down that way.
Coming to tough it out, man.